The information I'm going to present today is designed to help you understand what some people call the event and other things. Not everything is about the event here. And this revelation that's taking place is a process that we have called disclosure, and we all know about the cabal, and we're going to get into that. But there's a plan, according to my buddy Cobra, that I guess I would say it seemed logical to me when I first heard about this information back in 2011 from Cobra, 2012. He had started his website on my birthday, and he triggered a lot of memories from my early day contactees. As a contactee with a military guy that I met who was in the resistance movement long ago in 1980s, before Bill Cooper came out, and we understood I was a very young man, and been having a lot of physical and telepathic and out-of-body experiences, actually, with the Pleiadians at Fred Bell's house in Laguna Beach. And I was a little confused, but anyway, so this triggered me. I was very positively aligned with this information. So basically what happens is we plan to arrest the world's political and financial criminals at large in enforcement of what's called the Galactic Codex during a worldwide arrest action, what they call the event. This is, it's kind of hard to believe, and it may not be happening. Some of the larger ones may be at once, but it seems like you can't get the family to come to dinner. The only thing you can, at a certain time, how can you get the world's arrest at the same time? Well, the media is pretty good at it. You turn the channel and you'll see the exact same news story on every channel, feeding propaganda to you. So they're pretty organized when it comes to giving you information and sharing which is going on. Now, the event is intended to be initiated by benevolent ETs behind the scenes. And for those of us here who are watching, there is ample evidence. We all know what's going on. We're all like tapping our feet and it's time, let's wrap it up. Well, the human time element is not really involved here. This has to be done peacefully. And you have to understand there's two different groups in this kind of ET world. There's a certain group that I would say is from the mental plane. They're higher vibration, and they have certain rules. And one of them is they won't do violence to end violence. Now, there's another group called the Alliance, and many ET groups belong to both. And these are like confederation type of joined worlds, similar to Star Trek, but they don't interfere with each other's business. They come together for all things good, and they have a news network. They have, let's say, trade agreements, and they respect each other. Now, one group says, we will not become physically involved in other worlds. We'll work hard behind the scenes. We only use physical violence to defend ourselves. And some of them are very advanced and can avoid physical confrontation, like the Venusians. They're pretty much extremely powerful and higher dimensional. The primary civilization on Venus is on the astral plane, and you'd have a difficult time interacting with them, I think, because they're a little higher vibration, but that may not be true. We don't know everything here. Let me make it clear that we're in the process of just discovering and learning what's going on.